He was strong, he was proud, he was fast, he was loud, he was first, he's back again. Can you hear him in the wind? His feathers flew behind his head. They thought they knew that he was dead, but like a song that never ends, that old Indian rides again. They thought he died after the war, they didn't want him anymore. Now he's back, strong and fast. There he goes, roaring past. The Indian roared, then he sang throughout the land. His voice would ring, so climb aboard, it's time to ride. Get on the horse, the Indian rides. Pancho Villa shot up the land. He was chased by Uncle Sam. They couldn't catch him, of course, 'cause he was on the Indian horse. The Indian roared, then he sang throughout the land. His voice would ring, so climb aboard, it's time to ride. Get on the horse, the Indian rides. His feathers flew behind his head. They thought they knew that he was dead, but like a song that never ends, that old Indian rides again and again.